Good morning, friend. Today I am going to discuss about some more problem related to the chapter aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Here the question is, with the help of the consumption functions, and we have given the consumption functions, C is equal to 50 plus 0.8y. Now we have to calculate the consumption expenditures and the saving at the income of 2000 crore. Okay, so we have given the consumption function, that is C is equal to 50 plus 0.8y, and we have given income also, and y is what? Y is 2000. Now we have to calculate what? Consumption expenditure and the saving. Okay, so we have given C is equal to 50 plus 0.8y, and y is how much? 2000. Now putting the value of y in equation first, and we get what? C is equal to 50 plus 0.8 into 2000. We just putting the value of y in equations 1. So 0.8 into y, so 0.8 into the putting the value of y is what? Y is 2000. So just 2000. So C is equal to 50 plus 0.8 into 2000, that is 1600. 8 is 16, so 1600. Okay, so 50 plus 1600, that is 1650. So this is the value of consumptions expenditure, that is 1650. Now we have to calculate two things, that is consumption expenditure we already calculated 1650. Now we have to calculate the saving. As we know that y is equal to what? C plus S, and y we have given how much? 2000, and the consumption we already calculated here, that is 1650. 1650 plus S. So 2000 minus 1650 is equal to S. So 350 is equal to S. So S is equal to 3. Okay, so S is equal to 350, and the consumption is how much? 1650. So I hope you understood the concept how to calculate the saving and consumptions if you have given the consumption functions. Okay, now come to the next questions. Here saving functions is given. Here saving functions is given, that is S is equal to minus 30 plus 0.4y, and now we have to find out autonomous consumptions, consumption expenditures and saving at the income level of 3000 rupees, and we have to calculate MPC and MPS. Okay, so we have to calculate MPC and MPS. So here consumption function, saving function is given. So firstly we solution of this thing, as we know that the saving functions is what? Minus C bar plus 1 minus B y. Okay, minus C bar plus 1 minus B y, and as you know that C bar is what? C bar is autonomous consumption. B is what? B is MPC, and Y is what? Y is the income. So we have given the questions. Question is what? S is equal to minus 30 plus 0.4y. So we just write here minus 30 plus 0.4y. Okay. Now the first question is what? The first question is we have to find out the autonomous conjunctions. So autonomous conjunction is what? C bar. So just equating both the equations. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Just equating the equations. So we'll get what? Minus C bar is equal to minus 30. Okay. Here you can see that minus C bar is equal to minus 30. So C bar is what? Minus minus cancel. So C bar is 30. So answer will be 30. So autonomous conjunctions of the saving function is how much? 30. Okay. Will not write, most of the students just write the minus 30. Will not write the minus 30 because minus minus will cancel. So you just write the 30 as a autonomous conjunctions. Now the second question is consumption expenditures and saving. We have to calculate the consumption expenditures and the saving when the income is given 3000. So S is equal to minus 30 plus 0.4y we have given. Okay. So S is equal to 30 plus 0.4. Y is how much? Y we have given 3000. So just put the value of y here, and now minus 30 plus 0.4 into 3000. So what is the value of this thing? 1200. 4 is 12 and point is here, so you just remove 1 0. So 1200. So 1200 minus 30, that is 1170. This is the saving. Now we have to calculate what? Consumptions. So we know that S is equal to C plus S. We have given income. Income is how much? 3000. Consumption we have to find out, and saving we calculated. So 3000 minus 170 is equal to consumptions. So 0, 3, and we'll subtract here 9, 8 and 1. So this is the consumptions expenditures, and here is the saving, and here is the consumptions. Okay. So saving is 1170 and consumption is 1830. Okay. Now we have to calculate what? The second thing, the third one, we have to calculate MPC and MPS. So we have given S is equal to what? Minus 30 plus 0.4y, and we know that minus C, S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus, you just write here MPC or B. You already mentioned here. B is what? B is MPC. So we write here MPC. Now what? When we are equating both the equations, then we will get what? 0.4 is equal to 1 minus MPC. Okay. So what we will do? We will transpose here. MPC is equal to 1 minus 0.4. So MPC is equal to 0.6. So this is the values of MPC, 0.6. Now we know that MPC plus MPS is equal to what? 1, and we get the value of 0.6 of MPC, and we will calculate MPS. So MPS is equal to 1 minus 0.6. So MPS is equal to 0.4. Okay. So we will solve three problems which are related to this questions. Firstly, we need to calculate what? We find out the conjunction function, that is C bar is equal to what? 30. Okay. Now the conjunctions and saving will calculated here. Conjunctions is 1830 and saving is 1170, and NPC is what? NPC is 0.6 and NBS is 0.4. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of how to solve the problem of when the conjunction function is given, when the saving function is given. You just apply the formula, will get the answers. Okay. Thank you so much.